Thanks for tuning in for another episode of this nutrition and sports supplement series. Hopefully you've been following along and have already viewed the intro and background video as well as a previous video on caffeine and pre-workout. I always want to put this disclaimer out that this is in no way a promotion for supplements, and I do not encourage the use of supplements, but I know that they are out there. After working in the supplement industry for about 4 years, the biggest thing I learned is that a lot of people rely on supplements as a part of their daily diet, as opposed to using them sparingly as a supplement to their diet. I want to do everything that I can to help reverse that trend, but at the same time, I realize that there are some circumstances that create a need for supplements. And as long as they are available, I want to do my part in educating as many people as I can about what to look for and the way specific supplements are used. Today's episode will be a brief discussion on amino acids. And with that, I will talk about branched-chain amino acids, or BCAAs. Now with this one, I'm not going to get too sciencey, but will explain what amino acids are, what they do, and what to watch out for if you are using them as a supplement. Whether we are talking about general health and wellness, fitness, or sports performance, the hot component to discuss is usually protein. And I agree, protein is essential for a number of reasons. But like so many other things in life, it is more complex than just talking about protein. In order to have protein, you need amino acids. Amino acids are essentially the building blocks of protein. What they do is they bond together to form protein in order to build muscle and also so that your body's cells can properly function. Generally, in terms of supplements, you will find them in powder or liquid form to be taken before or during your training session. Now, there are a few different kinds of amino acids to keep in mind. There are essential amino acids, which are amino acids not produced in the body and must be obtained through the diet. Non-essential amino acids are produced by the body and do not necessarily have to be gained through the diet. And finally, conditionally essential amino acids, which are made by the body except in the cases of illness and stress. There are 9 essential amino acids and 11 non-essential amino acids, of which 6 are considered conditionally essential. I won't break down each one or go into too much detail, but for the purpose of this discussion today, we'll focus on 3 of the essential amino acids in leucine, isoleucine, and valine. These 3 essential amino acids are also referred to as branched-chain amino acids, and they make up 1/3 of muscle-building protein. Leucine is considered the most important of the BCAAs, and if we're talking about supplements, you will always find more leucine in supplements compared to isoleucine and valine. The reason for that? Leucine is critical in initiating protein synthesis. We like to say that it sort of jump-starts the muscle-building process. It also works in concert with tryptophan, another essential amino acid, in delaying fatigue. Again, I always encourage getting nutrients from whole food sources, but if you're looking for amino acids in supplement form, you will usually find them to be between 5 and 7 grams total per serving, and you should be aware of the leucine to isoleucine and valine ratio. Like I mentioned, leucine is the most critical of the 3. You might find vitamin B or glutamine blended into your BCAAs, as well as arginine or citrulline. Glutamine and arginine are other non-essential amino acids, while citrulline is actually converted by the body into arginine and works to detoxify the vessels in order to increase circulation. There is a little debate as to the effectiveness of amino acids or BCAAs as supplements in this form, and that is why it's always important to make sure that you're getting nutrients from whole food sources. I hope that brief explanation of amino acids, and more specifically branched-chain amino acids, helped educate you a little more on the basics of amino acids, how they help your body in relation to fitness and sports performance. And as always, if you have any questions, leave them on the comments or send me a direct message or email, and I will do my best to help you out. Until next time, stay strong and stay well.